Are you looking to upgrade your windows and elevate your home style? Welcome to LushLoom Dubai, your trusted experts for luxury window solutions. In today's video, we're going to explore all the different types of window blinds in 2026, so you can choose the perfect style for your home or office. Whether you want elegance, privacy, or smart automation, we've got you covered. Section 1, Roller Blinds. First up, roller blinds. These are perfect for minimalistic and modern interiors. With their clean lines and smooth operation, roller blinds offer effortless style and functionality. They're ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices where simplicity and practicality are key. With just a pull or remote control, you can adjust the light and privacy instantly, making your space comfortable and stylish. Section 2, Roman Blinds. Next, we have Roman blinds. Known for their soft fabric folds, these blinds add elegance, warmth, and a luxurious touch to any room. Roman blinds are especially popular in bedrooms and cozy living areas. The fabric gently stacks when opened and provides full coverage when closed, giving your windows a stylish centerpiece. With LushLoom's expert installation, Roman blinds effortlessly blend functionality with sophistication, making your interiors feel truly premium. Section 3, Venetian Blinds. Moving on to Venetian blinds, a classic choice that combines style and control. These blinds feature horizontal slats that you can adjust for precise light control. Perfect for offices and living rooms, Venetian blinds let you blend privacy with style effortlessly. Whether you want soft sunlight or complete shading, these blinds give you the flexibility to control your environment, all while maintaining a modern, professional look. Section 4, Vertical Blinds. For large windows and sliding doors, vertical blinds are an ideal solution. They allow adjustable light and airflow, and their long, flowing panels create a clean and modern aesthetic. Perfect for Dubai apartments and luxury villas, vertical blinds make even the largest windows easy to manage. With LushLoom's precise installation, your vertical blinds will look perfectly aligned, stylish, and durable. Section 5, Motorized Blinds. Finally, let's talk about motorized or smart blinds, the ultimate combination of luxury, convenience, and technology. These blinds can be controlled using a remote, smartphone app, or even automated schedules. Perfect for high-end homes in Dubai, motorized blinds provide effortless light control, enhanced privacy, and modern elegance. With LushLoom's expert installation, these smart blinds are not only functional but also seamlessly stylish, adding a premium feel to any space. Tips and recommendations. When choosing the right blinds, consider your room's purpose, style, and sunlight exposure. For bedrooms, Roman or roller blinds are perfect. For offices, Venetian blinds are ideal. And if you want a high-tech, luxury experience, motorized blinds are the way to go. Always trust professional installation by LushLoom Dubai to ensure perfect alignment, durability, and a flawless finish. Outro. Upgrade your home with the perfect window blinds today. From roller, Roman, Venetian, vertical to motorized blinds, LushLoom Dubai delivers premium quality, expert installation, and unmatched style. Contact us now to book your consultation and transform your windows into a modern, elegant, and functional centerpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home styling tips from LushLoom Dubai.